So when you are ready, beginning this practice of relaxation now on your back, your side, your belly, or any other position that feels right for you. We're going to start by taking 3 big deep breaths in and out. And with your third breath, if you haven't done already, come and close down your eyes. Start to feel the weight of the body making contact with the earth. If you notice any sounds, anything that feels like it may distract your mind, simply bring yourself back to your breath. Settle back into your easy, comfortable pose, Shavasana. Release any tension around your head and neck now. Soften your forehead, soften your nose, soften your jaw, soften your mouth. Part the lips and allow your tongue to gently rest in your mouth. Let go of any tension that you have in the back of the neck. Release your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists, and let your hands and fingertips soften now. Breathe easy around your chest, letting your ribcage gently expand and relax with each breath that you take. Release your belly, release your hips, release your back. Soften and melt the front of the thighs, back of the thighs, back of the knees, lower legs, heels, base of the feet, soften into the toes. Let your mind come on a journey with me now. Imagine you are in a rainforest, swinging gently in a hammock, feeling here completely relaxed and at ease. All around the sounds of the forest, gentle drops of rain in the distance, parrots singing their tune. Take in all the sounds of this rainforest as your body gently rocks. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. Allow yourself to surrender to being here. Letting the gentle sound of that rain wash away any pain, discomfort. Allow those drops of rain just to cleanse, clear the body. Taking all the colours of this rainforest, the greenness and growth of the trees, tall, dark, surrounding and nurturing you. The smallest of insects, wildlife, continuing their normal day and routine as you gently drift off here in this hammock. Taking all of this beauty of nature, every shade of green, allow yourself to be at complete ease in this rainforest that you have created here just for you. And the next breath that you take, start to become aware of your body, just making contact with the surface beneath you. There's no need to move at all, just simple awareness. Scrunch up your toes and then release your toes. Tense and release the muscles now in your legs, pressing the knees down to the earth and then releasing. With complete ease, make a fist with your palms and then release your palms. And finally shrug your shoulders up to your ears and gently release. We're going to do that once more. This time, take a breath in as you draw your shoulders up to your ears, and on your exhale, release your shoulders away from your ears. Gently start to move your head and neck, rotating your chin over towards your right shoulder, your chin over towards your left shoulder. Perhaps take a moment to stretch the arms up towards the top of the mat. And when you're ready, very gently become aware of your room, your surroundings, by opening your eyes and allowing the lights to gently flood back in. In your own time, there's no rush. Guide yourself onto the side of the body and take a moment here. Give yourself permission here to grow, to change, but also just to let go. And guide yourself when you're ready into a gentle upright position, lengthening through the spine, the head and neck. And taking a moment to rest your palms, back of the hands onto the knees or the thighs, really inviting in with those palms open, softening here just for a moment, congratulating your body for guiding you through this practice. Draw the palms together, thumbs and fingertips meeting. Take a breath in, honouring yourself deeply. Namaste.